besties, welcome either to or back to my channel. So it's Monday, right? My hair's not looking cute because of these fucking yellow pieces and I want to get rid of them right now. So that's what we're doing. So I'm going back to my tried and true Adore hair dye. Listen, it's a great brand and unfortunately Lunar is not going to be here in time, okay? I'm impatient and I don't want to have yellow pieces in my hair, all right? So we're going to be fixing it right now with Jade, but you're still welcome to use my Lunar discount. Okay, so first things first, I need to take off. Okay, cool. I really need a new ring light. It's Monday, I don't want to be too fucking precious about this. I just want to slap it on, leave it on for like an hour and then wash it off. I'm thinking of using these bottles because I feel like it'd be quicker to apply to my hair, but there's just not that much space in there. Okay, we're gonna give it a go, all right? You know, there's no harm in trying. Is it insane to say that that looks delicious? I don't know whether to dilute it or not. I think it's already diluted. Okay, let's not fuck around. Considering I can see through the dye as it's going in, I think that it will be quite opaque. No, I don't think it will be particularly opaque, like as a dye. I don't know what I'm saying. I think it's already diluted. So honestly, I think we're okay. I think we're fine. I don't know why I'm freaking out. All that's gonna happen is my hair's gonna be more blue than it already is. It's already blue. I don't know why I'm panicking so much. If 2 isn't enough, then I don't know where we go from there, because I have work tomorrow. I'm gonna be honest, the colour's not quite the same as what's on the bottle, but maybe there's more green in there than I can see. I don't know, because the bottle's kind of like a minty blue rather than a true blue. This colour's giving Coraline. I haven't even started and I'm already exhausted. You'd wonder why I dye my hair so much if I don't enjoy it. The outcome's fun, okay? Okay, let's change, because if I ruin this, I'll cry. Because I'm not a complete idiot, I am gonna just do a very quick test strand. Fun fact, these gloves are still wet from the last time I dyed my hair. Oh, it's really opaque. I think we're... Not opaque! Oh my god, I'm using the wrong fucking terminology. It's like thin. Okay, I think that's fine. Let's just get the fuck on with it, okay? The fucking, it's like dripping down my hand from the inside. Ew, 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 ew. That is unbelievably nasty. That's so disgusting. Well, maybe in future you should dry your fucking gloves. Ah! Oh. Wait. I'm ready for your inspection. I'm joking. I'm joking. Probably take my piercings out first. They get in the way. Okay, besties, let's fucking do this. Are you open? So my plan is to just kind of like what you do with a box dye. It's hard to squeeze. Oh. I don't know if we're making good choices right now. Yeah, this was a mistake. Those bottles would be better suited to like a hair oil or something, because Jesus Christ, they're so hard to fucking squeeze. Okay. Can everyone vouch for me that I normally have way better technique than this? Because otherwise people are going to tell me that my technique's shit. And I know it is, but I want it to be quick, okay? I want it to be quick. Also, this is easier to apply because it's literally like so thin. Thicker dyes require way more precision for me because my hair doesn't like to absorb it. Yeah. Nothing. Yeah, no, I'm fine. You can come in.
Oh. Are you videoing?
Yeah. That's my twin. I love waiting for the dye. Okay, well that method was definitely quicker because I have only been filming for 27 minutes. That's perfect because normally, if you're a regular viewer, it takes me like an hour to apply hair dye, but it's just because, like I said, thicker hair dyes, my hair doesn't like that much, so I almost need like 1,000 times more for it to do anything. It's very annoying. So, yeah, but I'm just gonna... See, like this was empty. It wasn't. Just leave it upside down for a bit. Obviously that applies to like dyes that are runny. If it's not runny, it won't really do anything. Sorry, phone ran out of storage and was about to die. Anyway, we are done with the dyeing part. So now we just have to wait for it to do its thing. I don't know how long I'm gonna leave it on for. This is the only thing. I don't know. Like when I rub it, that's like all that comes off. So I don't think it's gonna like be a crazy blue, which is fine, that's what I want. But I'm just gonna rub all of this off of my neck because it looks like I've been I was gonna say it looks like I've been strangled, but that's not a very nice thing to say. No, it looks like it looks like I'm turning into a zombie just from the back forwards, actually, now I'm thinking about it. Anyway, oh my fucking life. Anyway, I will meet back with you in a little bit. Sorry, jump scare. Let's wash her out. I think it's been in for like 40 minutes, 45, something like that. I just don't want to leave it on too long because I'm about to watch another episode of Dallas Cowboys Cheerleaders. And if I don't wash it out now, I'll have to wash it out at 10 PM and I don't want to fucking do that, so I'm gonna wash it out now.
The next day.
Okay, I'm gonna reveal my hair. In 3, 2, 1. How are we feeling about it? I do really like it. It's not the colour I thought it was gonna be. The colour on that bottle was not this. This is very Mermaid. I'm not mad about it at all. I do think that it'll help my hair fade to like a all very similar colour, if that makes any sense. I've also been told that by someone else who's used this dye before that it fades quite quickly, which I'm fine with. I preferred the lighter hair anyway. I wasn't going for something this bright, but I don't hate it. I think it's very Mermaid vibes. As was the other hair, but that was more like pastel Mermaid vibes, so I don't really mind. But yeah, I do really like it. I think it's pretty. I just, I had a bit of a like freak out last night because when it was wet, it was really dark and I was like, oh my god, did I bleach all my hair and do all of that for nothing? And now my hair's gonna be really dark, but it's not, it's okay. So yeah, hopefully this means that I can just leave it alone for a bit, because the only reason that I felt the need to dye it anyway was, I said it earlier on, but the bits that I had dyed blue in my root area, it was starting to go yellow because it was fading, obviously, because I diluted the dye a lot, and I just wasn't really vibing with it. And also there was just pieces down here that were going more yellow as opposed to like a nice green, like a minty green, so I was like, well, I guess I'll just put an all over kind of greenish blue on it and then that should work, and it seems to have done like the trick. But yeah, I'm just hoping that it will fade pretty and not ugly. I mean, I don't know what colour it will fade to, but hopefully it's nice. So yeah, this is the end result, and yeah, I do really like it. So yeah, anyways, thank you so much for joining me for another hair dye video. I know that they're the most anticipated, which to be fair, I love doing them and I also love watching them. So, you know, well, I hate dyeing my hair, but the end result is fun. So yeah, I appreciate you watching. If you have any video suggestions, please leave them down below, and I hope to see you in my next video.